Max Money Tribe, Max Money Family. What's going on? It's your boy Alvin, and we are back. Today we're talking about short squeeze updates, specifically BFRI, but I do have some more on the list. Now, this type of market is a little bit tough for me to trade, but on this channel you will find some very good transparency, showing the portfolio, showing the losses, showing the gains. I got you covered here on this channel. While you smash that subscribe button, crush the thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. We are on our way to 700 tribe members, and we're continuing to grow. So I appreciate every single one of you. Now, I do want to talk about some other short squeeze plays, but what makes it tough in this market for me is the overall market. If you follow my channel, SPY is what I go off of. SPY has been running so green, so beautiful, but individual stocks are there's so many that are red, at least on my watch list. So let's check it out. Portfolio is currently sitting at $3,687.64. Now, what I mean by the overall market. So here we zoom on down, you see SPY past week up $9.57. Past month looking good, $15. It did have those dips that scared a lot of people. That's normal. But now the SPY is pushing all-time highs, literally closing at all-time highs. Does it break through or does it get rejected and pull back to support? We have to wait and see. But if we're looking at all the individual stocks, red, big stocks, EVs, short squeeze plays, big names, Roblox, like different stocks, Amazon, there's a lot of red in there, right? So I'm waiting to see which direction this actually goes in. But let's jump into my list. Now, what do I have? I got 516 shares of BFRI. I got 290 shares of BBIG. I'm currently sitting on some options. Now I look to take those profits from those options and average down, scale down on my BFRI position. BioFrontera. I talked about this in my last video. Check it out. Great company, caught up in the market being pulled back. Now, on top of all of this, before I get started, unemployment numbers for last week, first time unemployment was actually down the week of Christmas. Just like my portfolio, right? So they are down, which means good for the market. We will see how it reacts. Now, my average cost is $11.28 on BioFrontera. If you're going to jump in, this is one of the best buying positions right now, right here. Strong support, like I said yesterday, was $7.72 to $8. And now we bounced right off of that range yesterday morning. As you see here, 788 is where it broke back up. You have to zoom out to the bigger picture here to actually see this trend line. Like it started down here a month ago. It's been walking this line down here, climbing higher. If you were to draw a trend line straight across on your real chart, Yahoo Finance, TradingView, whatever you use for charts, not these, you will see that it's continuing to hit this support line, and now it's climbing higher. I look for it to finish above $9 today. So we will see what happens, right, family? And then a possible squeeze, or you get these big jumps where you break out here, where you go from $7 to almost doubling up here at $13, right? So we have to keep that in mind. So BioFrontier is still a banger on my list. Now, another one, if you're looking at the short squeeze list, you have BBIG, which I like. If we zoom out to the bigger picture, it's walking along this bottom strong support line, which is in the 240s. The 240 range down here. So 233, 240, you'll see all this right here. It tends to bounce up and down in that area. So I like that to pull up to $3. Eventually, it's in the NFT sector. It's looking good. It's a great play that I like. Now, another one I haven't talked about as much, but PTPI right here, another pharmaceutical one, high risk, high reward. You zoom out for the year, it's down. But we start looking at recent play, it's up 91%. Past month, it's up 15%. It's walking this line going up. Past week, it's up 42%. So PTPI is really a good stock as of recently. 52-week high is 520. Right now, it's only sitting at 364. So you got these spikes right here, but it is walking that line. Now, this one has a volume, average volume of 18 million. Volume yesterday was 7 million. That's probably why it was down. But this is another short squeeze play that I really do like, along with something like AQST with ST, which has a lot of FDA approvals coming down the pipeline. It's looking good. It actually had one that was just put on hold, not rejected, just put on hold. So when that news breaks, it could lead this a lot higher. You're not going to get a better price range than right now. So if you go out for the year, it is down. 3 months is down because it just had that news. It had a date coming up on December 23rd that got put on hold. It didn't get rejected. It just got put on hold. So AQST, 52-week high, $7, could be a great buying opportunity. AMC looks good. All those other plays, great buying opportunities, family. But you want to make sure you control your size of these buys. That's on your side. Don't do as I do. Buy what you can control or buy what you're willing to lose. I'm willing. This is a stock or a portfolio that I would not like to lose at all. But I'm willing to take that risk to make those gains. So we will see what happens, family, is what I'm saying. So shout out to y'all, pressing the subscribe button, crushing the thumbs up. Look for a video tonight. We're going to get ready for some plays for the new year. Like we have to. There's going to be some buying opportunities in the market. Which ones do we see long-term bangers? I got you covered. And maybe some long-term options, family, because the market, if you zoom out, is where you get that clear picture and you see it trending up, unless you get some devastating news in that particular stock. It's going to trade up. So shout out to y'all, family. I'll see y'all later tonight. Max Money Tribe, y'all the best. I appreciate y'all, man.